This has been asked for a lot, so I've finally managed to do it. I've tried to film this myself, but it's just so hard to get the angles and be comfortably knitting as normal. So I finally gave in and asked for some help, so it's done. First, I'm going to be showing you kind of the point of the knitting belt. Now this was so that when ladies were knitting in Shetland, they could be knitting all the time and it would be easy for them to drop what they were doing and do something else like cooking or looking after children or whatever it was they were doing. So the first video you'll see is how it's so easy to have the use of your right hand by just dropping that right needle because it's in the belt there. Next, I'm going to be showing you how I hold the yarn while I'm knitting. So in my right hand, I have my background colour, and in my left hand, I have my foreground colour, or the colour I want to be more dominant. I am one of these people that my hands are quite different, so it's really important for me to always have my dominant colour in that left hand, or it looks completely different. So here you go. I know a lot of people that will be watching this knit continental usually, but with the knitting belt you're usually knitting English style or throwing or however you would describe it. So I've taken a video from the knitter's perspective. Finally, I've got a video of looking directly at me while knitting so you can see where the needles are, see where the belt sits, and really anything else you're looking for. So here you are. So I hope you enjoyed that and I hope it was helpful. You will see people using the knitting belt in slightly different ways. Maybe they place it differently when they put it on, or they hold their yarn differently, but this is how I use it. And you can see it's quite comfortable for me, so I'm so pleased to be part of the tradition of Shetland knitters using the belt. And yes, do let me know if you have any questions.